All right, guys, let's make tonkatsu sauce. Guys, the first thing you want to do is get some ketchup and go ahead and put that into a really small ramekin because I like a challenge. Now that you have your ketchup, you're going to take all of your additional ingredients. So we've got some soy sauce, more soy sauce, and you have some brown sugar. And give it an extra tap because why not? Now we're going to take some Worcestershire sauce, some garlic clove, minced ginger, and it's really that simple. Now you're going to go ahead and whisk or mix your sauce really delicately in a very tiny ramekin because you like a challenge. Now you can try and gently stir that tonkatsu sauce and try and be super skilled about not spilling over, but eventually you just might realize that you don't need this big of a challenge and you'll get a bigger bowl. Once you decide to get a bigger bowl, go ahead and stir and incorporate that really well. You want it to be an even color. You're basically going for a barbecue sauce, if you will. So we're going to go ahead and stir that until everything is the exact same consistency. Now I like to pour my tonkatsu sauce into a squeeze bottle to make it easier to actually add to my tonkatsu. If you find value in this video, please be sure to like and subscribe. Make sure you enjoy that tonkatsu, and I'll see you next time.